truck and back to look how silly this is.
Are they gone?
You have to like do. Oh. Okay. Aaron, don't leave. Aaron, don't. Aaron! I love you!
No, I'm fucking done! I'm fucking done!
No, you're not.
This is bullshit!
I'm gonna go.
This is fucking bullshit!
I can't get off!
What is this?
I can't get off!
What is this?
I'm stuck!
What is my life? I can't do it, John!
I can't either!
I can't fucking do it anymore!
I'll tell you what, Aaron! You can give up now, or you can beat it out, because I certainly can't do it without you, and I know you can't do it without me.
I appreciate it, but look what we're dealing with, man!
Aaron!
You gotta draw the line somewhere!
Aaron,
You gotta draw a fucking line in the sand, dude!
Aaron,
you gotta make a statement! You gotta look inside yourself and say, what am I